Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So if you're new to this channel, I would advise you to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bar, and like this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to detect AI generated content. Yes, how to detect AI generated content. Now OpenAI created a ChatGPT, the version 3.5 of the OpenAI softwares, the ChatGPT. It can generate contents for you automatically. And now when these contents are generated, a lot of people make mistakes by using them to assume you're a professor in a university and you give your students assignments and they come back to you with assignments with AI generated contents. This is how to check and know what an AI generated content is. So let's go straight into the point. Now this is an AI. Let's say you have a conversation, you say, write me the pre-colonial history of Nigeria. So this machine is generating the pre-colonial history of Nigeria, is writing the contents, and let's assume this is the question for the assignment, and the student comes here and generates this content. How do you know that these contents were generated? So I'm going to propose a website to you. The name of the website is the GP2 output detector demo. It is the GP output detector demo. I've pasted a link to this website under the description of this video, and you can access it from there. Copy it, paste anywhere, and then you can use it. Okay, you can use it to do whatever you want to use it to do that is in line with detecting AI generated content. Now I'm going to copy this AI generated content, and I'm going to come here and paste it. I will check this directly. It tells us that it is 99.78% fake. It is 99.78% fake. So you know that this was generated using an AI machine. Now you must understand that even though this is running on GPT-2 output detector demo, it's running on GPT-2, and the content was generated using GPT 3.5. You understand that it can actually, even if this was written with the GPT-4, it will still generate, it will still detect that it was written by an AI machine. It was written by ChatGPT. So that is how to detect AI generated content. It's as simple as that. Now if you are new to this channel, like I said from the beginning, click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bar, because I'm going to be uploading a video that tells you how to work around this and make it unique content, even though it was generated from ChatGPT. See you in my next video.